How to fix YouTube error loading. Tap to retry. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, launch the Play Store application on your device and simply search for YouTube just to make sure you have an updated version of the YouTube application on your device. So let's search for YouTube on our Play Store application, and as we search for YouTube, you'll be able to see the option of open over here, and there is no update option, which basically means we have the latest version of the device or the application on our device. So we're going to go back to the home screen and simply make a long press on the YouTube application, and as we do that, we'll be able to see the option of app info over here. So let's just go back and do the process. So make a long press on YouTube and you'll be able to see the option of app info. So tap on app info, and as you do that, you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So you just have to wait for a while and then tap on clear data, then clear the cache and tap on OK. Now you can just relaunch the YouTube application, and this might definitely help you out. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.